Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So today guys, I want to do some experiment on a product that I've been waiting on to try. So what is that product? I've been seeing many YouTubers or makeup gurus. They've been using the Makeup Revolution concealer as the eyeshadow base, and what that does is it makes the color pop more. The eyeshadow color shows more. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a comparison between the Makeup Revolution concealer or an eye primer base from MAC. The eye primer base from MAC is the 24-hour extended eye base, and the Makeup Revolution, this color that I have is a C2. And again, this is a concealer from Makeup Revolution, and this is the eyeshadow base from MAC. All right, and what we're supposed to do when you're choosing your color for the concealer, you're supposed to go to a shade very lighter than your complexion, way lighter, which is what I did. I think in Makeup Revolution, I wear a C12 and a C13. 12 and 13. All right, so I just throw on some foundation just to get the look completed. Yes, I did my eyebrows and I put on some lips. So we're gonna get started, and if you see me looking down, my mirror is right here. Yes, now the color that I'm using is the Morphe, and this is the 35B, the Morphe 35B. This is the matte collection. And I have another one that I'll be using, the 350M, 350M, again from Morphe. And I'm just gonna be dabbing in different colors. You know, some colors are brighter, and this is the 35B, that is the shades. There you go. All right. And now also in the 350M, it's some more warmer tones that are there, more like your transition colors, or if you're trying to have a smoky look, then yeah, that's the palette you need to use. All right, so let's get into this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and apply the concealer. And this is a Makeup Revolution concealer in C2 on this eye. And then I'm gonna apply the color and see which one shows the color more. Okay, let's go. I know that look crazy. I'm gonna blend that in a little bit with my sponge, not a beauty blender, but a sponge. And what I'm gonna do, this concealer has to dry down. And I realize it's the same thing with the LA Girl. You have to let it dry down before you blend it. If not, it's a mess. So I'm gonna let it dry down a little. In the meantime, I'm gonna go and figure out which color I'm gonna use as my transition color. And I think I'm gonna stick to my normal, maybe not. Well, let's see. And I want to create a very bold look to see, you know, so I'm going to use the more brighter shades just to see which one stands out more. And if I'm looking, I can see that it's drying down. So let me go and sort of even it out. Get to see this with me. Yeah. All right, so it looks like we have a pretty good canvas. I know it look a mess right now, but you don't worry. And I did went in and take off a piece of my eyebrows. Did you see that? But don't worry. It's not about the eyebrows at this point. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade, and this is from the M350. I'm gonna use this as my transition color. That as my transition color. Start to winging it out. because I'm gonna like sort of droop it around. And if I did not use the correct terminology, I'm gonna bring it right around here. All right, so that's what I mean by drooping it around. So I'm gonna complete one eye first before I move over to the base, okay? I should say the regular base. All right, so that's one. And I'm not worried about blending it out so far. I just want to see how the color is popping. Now, if I'm losing most of, because my eyelids are very small, if I'm losing what I need, I will add some more concealer, trust me. All right, I'm trying to just to clean my edge there, right, okay? All right, so now I'm gonna go in with another color. I think I'm gonna start darkening it up, so I'm gonna go in with one of these browns. Matter of fact, I want it to look so bad. I mean, crazy bad. I'm gonna go in maybe with this purple, and then I'm maybe gonna add this blue. I have never seen that combination before, but trust me, your girl here will create it. All right, so I am now gonna go in with this turquoise color here. This color, and I'm gonna add it right where you see I made that little half of cut crease, half. It's not even a full cut crease, it's half. And let's see what we create here, okay? I'm gonna be going with this brown, this color brown here, just to give me a dark edge, since I have this bright color on the front, in the middle. And then I'm just gonna even it out with the purple coming over into that, or the lavender, whichever one you calls it. And if you're going too far with your dark color, guys, you can always go back, like I have done. I'm gonna go back with my color and add it. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the lavender into the tear duct area, and I'm gonna sort of sweep it onto that blue, just a little bit. All right, so that is an eye with the Makeup Revolution concealer. Now we're gonna use the Prep and Prime eyeshadow base on the other eyes and see if there is any difference. All right, so let's get to it. All right, I think the other eye is now dry down, so let's move on with that same transition color as I use on this eye. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, this looks like a really close call. And this looks like a really stiff competition. But let's see what we got here. Let's see what we're working with, guys. And I use the Morphe palette because I love Morphe. Yeah, I really do. This is one of their brush, which is the M514. And I'm gonna be cleaning it up. You know you're going with the brush that you use above for your transition color and just blend. So now I'm gonna go in with the brown. I did do the brown right underneath. I just wanna give it a little depth just to see. All right, so let's see how this works, guys, because I'm getting pretty scared with this one. Now you guys may be wondering what I normally use. I normally use a foundation, my skin tone, and my colors do not pay off the way that I want them to show up. So I decided that I'm gonna go out and look for a product that I think will make my colors pop some more, and start to sweep it on to that turquoise. So what I'm going to do now is start to sweep it under this way like I did on the other side to give it that look. And I normally go outside with my transition color first. Now I'm going to add that turquoise look underneath and start to blend it out. Now you guys have to tell me which one y'all think is the best, okay? I did as loud colors as I could possibly can. And yeah, I'm adding some more color on that side so you guys could determine. It's still concealer on this eye and it's still base over here. And I look like a masquerade. All right, so I think I'm done. Let me put on some mascara on the other eye so it can look just a little better, right? Yeah. So you tell me which one you think stand out more. And I'll get a little closer so you guys can see. All right, so you guys leave a comment below and tell me if you think the Makeup Revolution concealer works better showing the colors up versus the primer. Make sure you guys leave a comment because I really want to know what you guys think about this product and this technique and using it this way. All right, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Leave me a comment below and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye-bye.